A character reference letter for immigration can play a very important role in supporting someone's immigration application. It helps immigration officers understand the applicant's character, reputation, and contributions beyond what official documents can show. A weak or vague reference letter may have little impact, but a clear, honest, and professional letter can strengthen the applicant's case significantly. Now let's break down how to write it properly. Check this out. Referee information. This is the first part of the letter, where the referee introduces themselves. For example, David Thompson, 1458 Cedar Avenue, Seattle, Washington 98101, United States, david.thompson@email.com, 20655-54728. Always use accurate and complete contact information because credibility is very important in immigration matters. Date, for example, October 5, 2026. After your contact information, include the date the letter is written. This is important because immigration documents often need to reflect current and timely support. Write the letter as close as possible to the application submission date. Recipient information. This section identifies the immigration office receiving the letter. You should include the department name, office address, and country. For example, Immigration Officer, U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, 20 Massachusetts Avenue Northwest, Washington, D.C., 20529, United States. This ensures the letter reaches the correct authority. Verify the exact office name and address listed in the applicant's immigration instructions. Subject line. The subject line clearly states the purpose of the letter. This helps the immigration officer quickly identify the document. For example, subject, character reference for Maria Hernandez. Always use the applicant's full legal name exactly as shown on their application. Salutation. This is your formal greeting. It keeps the letter respectful and professional. For example, Dear Sir or Madam. If you know the officer's name, use it. Otherwise, this formal greeting is appropriate. Introduction. Paragraph. In this paragraph, you explain why you are writing the letter. You should introduce yourself, your profession, and clearly state that you are providing a character reference. For example, I am writing to provide a character reference for Maria Hernandez in support of her immigration application. My name is David Thompson, and I am a senior project manager currently residing in Seattle, United States. This establishes your authority and purpose. Briefly mention a professional title if applicable, as it can strengthen credibility. Relationship with the applicant. Here, you explain how you know the applicant and for how long. This is important because immigration officers need context for your reference. For example, I have known Maria Hernandez for 8 years in my capacity as her former employer at Northwest Consulting Group. During this time, I have come to know her as a person of integrity, responsibility, and strong moral character. This helps validate your perspective. Be specific about the length and nature of your relationship. Applicant's character qualities. This section highlights the applicant's positive traits. You should mention specific qualities and examples whenever possible. For example, Maria has consistently demonstrated honesty, professionalism, reliability, and compassion. She is highly respected by her colleagues and has made meaningful contributions through volunteer work at local educational outreach programs. This provides evidence of strong character. Use concrete examples instead of generic praise. Commitment and contributions. Here, you explain the applicant's responsibilities and contributions. This shows the applicant's value to society. For example, in addition to her personal character, Maria has shown a strong commitment to her professional responsibilities and community service. She has consistently balanced full-time employment while actively mentoring young professionals in our local business network. This demonstrates responsibility and positive impact. Focus on measurable contributions whenever possible. Statement of support. This is where you clearly support the immigration application. This paragraph is one of the most important parts of the letter. For example, based on my knowledge and experience with Maria Hernandez, I strongly support her immigration application and respectfully request that you give her case favorable consideration. This makes your recommendation clear and direct. Be confident and sincere in your endorsement. Offer for further contact. Here, you make yourself available for clarification. This shows confidence in your statement. For example, please feel free to contact me if you require any further information or clarification. This reinforces credibility and transparency. Thank you statement. For example, thank you for your time and consideration. This shows professionalism and respect. Keep this polite and concise. Closure. For example, sincerely, this is your formal sign-off. Always use formal closings for immigration correspondence. Include your name, signature if printed, and professional position. This confirms authenticity. For example, David Thompson, signature, Senior Project Manager. If submitting a physical letter, always sign it by hand. Before we wrap up, here are some important overall tips you should always remember when writing a character reference letter for immigration. Always be honest, specific, and factual. Avoid exaggerated claims because immigration officers value credibility over emotional praise. Focus on real examples of the applicant's integrity, responsibility, and positive contributions. And most importantly, make sure the letter is professional, well-organized, and signed properly. So that's how you write a character reference letter for immigration step by step. As you can see, every part of this letter helps present the applicant as a trustworthy and responsible individual. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Writing Practices, for more writing tutorials. And I'll see you guys in the next video.